Protein powder isn't just for bodybuilders. These days you will find a variety of protein powders at mainstream supermarkets. Many people have questions about protein powders, including whether they are healthy, which type is best, and how to use them. There is no one standard formulation for protein powders. Generally, they are made from one or more types of protein, isolated from food and concentrated into a dried, finely powdered form. A protein powder can be made from either an animal source, including eggs and dairy-derived, whey or casein protein, or various plant sources. Plant-sourced protein can come from split peas, soy, brown rice, pumpkin seeds, and hemp. The nutritional breakdown of protein powder: one serving of protein powder is about a quarter cup, which is typically a few scoops worth of the scooper that's usually provided inside the package. That one serving can easily pack 20 to 25 grams of protein. Most of the powders are low in fat and carbs. To determine how a portion of powder fits into your daily protein needs, first, assess your overall target for this key macronutrient. The recommended dietary allowance for protein for a healthy adult with a minimal physical activity level is currently 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram, or 2.2 pounds of body weight per day. For a 150-pound adult, that's about 55 grams of protein per day. However, protein needs may increase based on your activity level and age. For example, research shows 1.4 to 2 grams per 2.2 pounds of body weight may be needed for building muscle mass due to strength training. If your daily protein requirement is, say, 60 grams per day, one serving of protein powder can meet a solid 1/3 of your everyday goal. That's pretty significant how protein powder compares with other foods. Another way to assess the nutritional value of protein powder is to compare the amount of protein it provides to that of other protein-rich foods. One serving of protein powders contains about the same amount of protein as a 3-ounce skinless chicken breast and a few grams more than a cup of cooked lentils. With this in mind, there are two excellent ways to use a protein powder. First, it can be used as an alternative to other protein-containing foods. Second, it is also a way to boost the protein content of a dish that's typically low in protein. For example, a smoothie made with veggies and fruit lacks protein. Even a few tablespoons of almond butter only add about 6 grams. Blending in a powder can easily up the protein content to a more significant percentage of your daily needs, which transforms the drink into a meal replacement. Protein is found in plants and animals. Animal sources tend to have a higher amount of leucine. Leucine is an essential amino acid that aids in insulin regulation and building skeletal muscles. Protein from animal sources are generally easier to digest and have the highest content of the amino acids your body needs to get from food. Whey protein, as the watery part of milk, whey is rich in lactose, vitamins, and minerals. Casein is a milk protein. When taken 30 minutes before going to sleep, this protein has been shown to increase the amount of muscle proteins you build and to break down fats and fatty acids, which could help with muscle recovery and overall metabolism. Egg protein is packed with important amino acids that your body needs and contains other nutrients like riboflavin, selenium, and vitamin K2. Plant-based protein powder. These protein powders are ideal if you are following a plant-based diet. Plant-based proteins may not outshine animal-based proteins in nutritional quality, but they still offer health benefits in regard to blood glucose, insulin, and hormones that regulate your appetite. Protein obtained from pies has been shown to have similar effects as whey protein on body composition, muscle thickness, force production, workout performance, and strength following high-intensity training. Protein from brown rice may also be another good alternative to whey. One study found that compared to whey protein, rice protein may be just as effective when it comes to gaining strength and muscle thickness. Hemp protein has been shown to increase strength and muscle thickness in females. Compared to soy products, the same effect was not seen in males. Is protein healthy? The goal isn't to add protein to everything you eat. Rather, it's to meet and not exceed your daily protein needs. Of course, whole, naturally nutrient-rich foods should always be the default. Protein powder can offer a simple and convenient way to help you meet your daily protein target. These products may also help you reduce meat and dairy and enjoy more balanced plant-based meals. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, share, and comment.